Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter number 12, area related to circle. Area related to circle we will see here. That first question is, the radii of two circles are 19 and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. So first of all, let radius is equal to, we can suppose that is x, and then or then we can write the r, that is a better, and then r1 is given 19, that is a centimeter, r2 is given that 9 centimeter. So that area, circumference of that circle is equal to circumference of first circle plus second circle. So we will write here directly formula, that is 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. So that 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r is common, so r1 plus r2. 2 pi r cancel by 2 pi r, so r is equal to that 19 plus 9. So r is equal to, that is 9 and 8, 28 centimeter. That will be 28 centimeter. Similarly, question second is also like this, same. The radius of two circle are 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of, it means here is given the area. So that same thing, let radius is equal to r, so that area means pi r square for, also that one r1 is not written here, r1 is equal to, that is given 8 and 6, 8 centimeter, r2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So that for this circle, that is a pi r square is equal to, for this circle pi r1 square plus for this circle pi r2 square. So that pi r square is equal to pi is common, so r1 square plus r2 square. So that pi cancel by pi, so r square is equal to that 8 square plus 6 square, that is r square, or that under root 64 plus 36, so that r is equal to, that is a add 100, so that r is equal to 10 centimeter. And then third question, diagram is given here, figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring region for the center output of gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score is 21, that is a diameter for gold. That is third question, diameter of gold, that is the diameter of gold is equal to 21. So r1 is equal to, that is 21 upon 2, or we can write 10.5, that is 10.5 centimeter. And then after, each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. So each, so that r2 is equal to, that will be 10.5, that is 2 multiply 10.5 is equal to 21, and then r3 is equal to, that is 3 multiply 10.5 is equal to 3 5 ja 15, 10 ja 3 30, 3.5, and then r4 is equal to, that is 4 into 10.5 is equal to, that is 42 and then r5 is equal to, that is 5 multiply 10.5 is equal to 5 5 ja 25, 1050 and 252. 52.5. These are the radius of, that means this area for, this radius for gold, second for, that is red, this is a red, this radius for that blue, and then after black, white, and then after and after area of gold. Area of gold is equal to pi r square. So that here we will apply 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5. So that will be 7 1 7, 3, this one. So after that multiplication is, that will be 346.5. 346.5 centimeter square. This is the first area. Area of net second is that gold. Second is gold. Area of gold. Area of gold. Oh, sorry, gold we have found red. That is red is equal to that. This is a pi r1 square. Pi r2 square minus this area 3, or we can write that one like this. See that you will be see that pi r2 square minus r1 square. So that 22 upon 7 bracket r2 is that 21 square minus 10.5 square. So that 22 upon 7, that will be 21 plus 10.5 and 21 minus 10.5, right, by the a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So that 22 upon 7 into, that will be 31.5 into, that will be 10.5. This will be always come. So that will be 1.5. After multiply of that one, that will be 1033.5. 1033.5 centimeter square. This is the area of red. This will be 31. 3 5 is 15, 3 10 30 and 31. Yes. Next will be area of, next one is blue. Area of blue is equal to pi r3 square minus r2 square. So that 22 upon 7, that r3 is 31.5, 31.5 square minus, that is 21 square. So one time it, similarly you will write in plus and minus and minus 0.5. Oh sorry, 31 plus, sorry, minus 21. So that 22 upon 7 into that will be 5.5 multiply, this will be always come 10.5 and then 1.5 I cancel. So that by the multiply of these things 17, 22, 32.5, that will be answer. 17, 32.5 centimeter square, that will be the answer. And then similarly you will be find area of that is black is equal to pi r4 square minus r3 square. By the calculation your answer will come. Similarly area of white is equal to pi r5 square minus r4 square. By the calculation your answer will be come. And then question number 4. What is the question number 4? the wheel of a car of the diameter of 80 centimeter, so that is a diameter, how many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So that D is equal to 40 centimeter, so that will be in meter, decimal 4 meter by divided by 100, and then distance is equal to that is a 10 in 10 minutes, that will be 66 km into 1000 upon 60, because we will be find in meter per minute, that will be meter per minute. And then after you will be see that 0 cancel by 0, and then 6 1 ja 6 1 ja, so that is 11,000 meter, that will be in meter. Now number of revolution, that is what to find, how many complete revolution? Yes, number of revolution is equal to distance upon that is perimeter, pi d, so that 11 upon that pi d, pi value is 22 upon 7 into d is 40, so that 1100 multiply 7, 22 that is not 40, that is a decimal 4, that is a decimal 4, by the decimal cancel, this is a 0. Now 11 2s and 11 1s, and then that will be 35, 4 2s 8, 4 5s, that will be 4 5s 20, and then that will be pi d, circumference of that is pi d, this 0 cancel by this 0, 66, 6 1 ja 6 1 ja, so that 35 multiply 25 is equal to 35 multiply 25 is equal to 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15, 16 17, 2 5 ja 10, and then 2 5 ja 10, 3 2 ja 6 1 7, that will be 5 7 8, and then after multiply something is here different, you will be see that distance is equal to, or diameter is equal to, that is 80 centimeter of this one is 80 centimeter, so that will be 8, so that will be 8, and then this will be 8, when you will be divided by 8, then that will become 125, after the multiply of that thing, this will be come 4375, and then question number 5, that is the last question. Take the correct answer in the following and justify your choice if the perimeter and area of a circle are numerically equal. So area and perimeter are equal, so that pi r square is equal to, that is the area, and perimeter is 2 pi r, so that you know that pi cancel by pi, so that r square means r multiply I, r is equal to 2r, so r cancel by r, so r is equal to 2 unit. It means that is a option A right. Okay.